Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Vents Tarot, and this is your love forecast for Aries, Leo, Sag. Or if you know an Aries, Leo, Sag, you can cross watch it for them, friends. Make sure to subscribe Magic Vents Tarot, like and share, and join us on Instagram as Magic Vents Tarot to buy a personal reading. Visit our website. You can buy your own 2021 readings, friends. It is very detailed, month by month, super detailed, super amazing, super accurate, and must needed for especially because 2021 is a path breaking year for all of us, for humanity, for everyone on earth. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and friends, if you subscribe, you will get a chance to win a free reading. One person random winner will be selected for a free reading, and it will happen every month. So make sure you subscribe. If you don't win today, you may win tomorrow. So yeah, let's see, Aries, Leo, Sag, how you are feeling currently. Then we are going to see how your person is feeling. Aries, Leo, Sag, what is happening for them currently? The Four of Swords, waiting, waiting, waiting. The game of waiting. I also see you're planning something, Aries, Leo, Sag. What's happening currently for Aries, Leo, Sag? Page of Cups. You could be dealing with a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. You are feeling very emotional about something. You want to express your love. Maybe you have received or you are waiting for a message or some news, or you are waiting to tell someone, Aries, Leo, Sag, how much you love them. So some waiting is going on regarding a person. The Emperor, you are being in your power. I feel you are making someone wait, Aries, Leo, Sag. You are like, hey, I'm gonna make you wait. See, don't tell me who is the boss, Aries, Leo, Sag. You are making this person wait. I also feel this is so bad of you. I don't want to say it like this, but yeah, you're making someone wait, Aries, Leo, Sag. Definitely, this could be a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or they are making you wait. It seems like you are making them wait right now. You are like, see, I'm watching you, but I won't message you. I see your messages, but I won't tell you. Nine of Swords. Yeah, you are a little upset also, Aries, Leo, Sag. You are worried about maybe your work issues, or there is some sort of an anxiety. We'll see what is causing you this anxiety. Maybe you are not ready right now. The Page of Wands, it is your own energy. You want to, you want to message them. You want to take a positive move towards this person, but your heart is saying one thing, your mind is saying another thing. So you are a little confused, Aries, Leo, Sag. Should you follow your heart or should you follow your passion? So you are like, I'll follow my passion. I will follow my mind. I will take some time. I will wait because I'm confused. The King of Cups. I think you want this person to behave, to mature themselves, because you are like, why are you so immature? Why can't you why can't you be a little more mature, a little more understanding? You're like, Aries, ooh, you are being your boss, I tell you. Okay, the Chariot. I also feel you are waiting for some news, or you are planning to travel, or you may have to travel, or travel. Some issues regarding travel is there, so you are waiting, and you want to move towards this person, but you are taking your time. The Queen of Swords. Your person could be either Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. I also feel you could be dealing with two partners right now, or there is family also affecting you, like Aries, Leo, Sag. Your mother, your family, your parents, your mother-in-law, father-in-law could be also affecting your connection. So you're waiting, you're like, everybody let them speak, I will say the final words. Good, that's good, Aries, Leo, and Sag. Let's see what's happening with your person. Okay, your person is Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. You could be dealing with someone who is very, they are in a fight mode. So that's why you are keeping your distance, Aries, Leo, Sag. They want a family with you. And also, this person could be your family, Maybe they are not a lover, they are a friend, they are a family. Or maybe you want to marry, they are your lover, twin flame, ex-husband, wife, husband, wife, crush. This person wants family with you. They want commitment, but I don't know why they are fighting. They are not ready. What's happening with Aries, Leo, Sag's person? Three of Swords. Yeah, this person is hurt. They are hurt, and they are not talking to you. I don't know what's going on. That, and I think you are right, Aries, Leo, Sag. This person is behaving a little bit over emotional, over sensitive. Oops. See what cards jumped out. Let's see. The Ten of Swords, the King of Swords, the Three of Cups. Wow. I do see family is affecting or friends are affecting this connection. Your person is dealing a lot of pressure from their family. I feel this person, your person, Aries, Leo, Sag, is going through a lot of pressures from their family, their friends. I do feel they miss you, they miss the happy times with you, they just want to be there with you. This person is ending, they are going through a lot of endings in their lives. So, maybe they want to shift, but they can't. Maybe they want to be with you. Maybe, they are being forced to marry or forced to do what pleases their family. So, they are a little upset, this person. And that's why they are behaving a little too sensitive or touchy. Wheel of Fortune. Yeah, there is they are planning a change. Your person wants to move towards you, they want to relocate, they want some something. I see someone else is affecting your person, maybe friends, maybe family, maybe the family, third party is affecting. So they want some distance, and that is the reason they are behaving like this with you. They are trying to manifest you. They are waiting for the right time for things to change. They are also wanting, like you, Aries, Leo, Sag, your person also wants to relocate, be with you, spend more time with you. They don't want to be here. They want something new with you. The Nine of Wands, they know they are fighting a lot of challenges. This person is fighting their family. This person is fighting a lot of toxicity in their life right now. I also feel this person is trying to, maybe it is the work which is very not going well. So maybe it is work from home situation which is affecting them. So they are like, yeah, you know, they are wanting a change, and they are trying to tell you that please give them time. They are right close to changing something. Yeah, they are going to achieve this stability, this security, and this this happiness. They are going to do it for you and with you. Aries, Leo, Sag. So how does this person feel about Aries, Leo, Sag right now? Nine of Cups, you are their happiness. They miss the times with you. They want to spend time with you. They want to date you. They want to go out and have some coffee, dinner, lunch. They miss those happy times. Seven of Cups, I think they wanna message you. I think they keep picking their phone and try to message you, but they are trying to reach out to you, but somehow you are like not replying back, Aries, Leo, Sag. So they are confused why you are not replying back. Ten of Wands. They also feel that this person has a lot of burdens right now, and they also know you are also busy with some issues in your life, Aries, Leo, Sag. So they know you are very capable, you are very strong. Death. Yeah, you are not scared of change, Aries, Leo, Sag. That's what they feel. You are ready for a change, a massive change. You don't fear change, while this person is kind of struggling to change, maybe step out of their comfort zone or leave their family, or maybe a bad toxic situation, friends or family. They are trying, but they see that you are very powerful. You can do it more easily than them. And they also feel maybe it is over for you. Maybe you are over from them. How do they feel about our viewers? Oh, again, the Tower is here. I think I'm going to remove this card from the deck, but I can't because that's not the point. The point is it's here and it's for a reason. Oh, yeah, I think they feel maybe you are over them. Maybe you are not replying to them, and maybe it's over, and it's like you have moved on. That's why when they message, you don't reply. Aries, Leo, Sag. They feel something is about to happen. They feel like that. The Two of Wands. They feel that you're very mature. They want to take the responsibility of what is happening in their life and in this connection. They want to take responsibility of that. What is their next move? What is this person's next move towards our viewers? Wheel of Fortune. Again, the Wheel of Fortune is here. Look at that. They want to come towards you. They want to share their heart. They want to tell you. They want to be mature for you. And they want to take responsibilities of their action. Believe, Six of Swords, yeah, the challenges are going to end. They will take this connection forward, Aries, Leo, Sag. And I also feel that it might take 6 days or 10 days for this person or you to open up and get back to talking again. See, oh my god, I said open up. Look at that. That's amazing. I can't believe that. It just jumped out when I said open up. Four of Wands, marriage is a big thing here. Yeah, they want to marry you, and this could be a twin flame connection. So a lot is happening, a lot of emotions, a lot of passion. I think their next move is to sit and have a talk with you, make things better with you. It is going to happen in divine timing. And I feel they are waiting for you to be ready also. Trust. Something is going to happen. You need to trust they are doing the right things for you and this connection. Aries, Leo, Sag. Maybe trusting is a problem. Maybe you both don't trust each other. So I do feel trust issues. They want to discuss about those things. Let us see what is this person's message for Aries, Leo, Sag. TikTok. They know, like, time is running. They know that. And they also know divine time is at work in this connection. Number 30, 31, 10, 11, 12, 16, 19, 18 are important for some of you. They know time is running. They also know some things are destined to happen in divine timing. How long can you resist them? How long can you avoid them? How long will you not reply back, Aries, Leo, Sag? They know that. What does this person want to say to Aries, Leo, Sag? Okay. Between worlds, number 3. Yeah, they keep moving. They want to be with you. I see them messaging. I think they have messaged, but you haven't replied back, Aries, Leo, Sag. So they are like, should we move on? Should we stay? Should we move on? Should we stay? They also know something is coming. Something is hidden. Something is happening behind the scenes in this connection. They know that. Milk and honey. You are their milk and their honey. You are their, sweetness. You are their happiness in life. You are the comfort for them. Loyal heart. They are I think trust issues are a factor. I told you something about trust issues. They want to tell you they are very loyal to you still. Are you loyal to them? Aries, Leo, Sag. Do you love them? Why are you not replying to their messages? Observer, they are keeping a close eye on you. So yeah, if you think they have forgotten you, Aries, Leo, Sag, they haven't. They keep a close eye on you. Let us see some advice for you, Aries, Leo, Sag. Advice for Aries, Leo, and Sag for this connection. Confidence is your key to success. New moon in Leo. I do feel like, this person is quite mature, Aries, Leo, Sag. You need to believe that they can handle situations. The end of a tough cycle is approaching. Yeah, something is going to shift in this connection in a positive way. And I do feel you need to stay confident and positive about it. Luck is on your side. Yeah, something is going to happen which is destined for this connection. There will be a lot of love, a lot of communications opening. It will happen in divine timing. I don't think it is. I think they have already messaged you, but you haven't replied because you don't feel ready also, right? You feel this person is a little immature. Stay optimistic about your love life. Positive thinking and faith will bring you romance. Another card jumped out, worth waiting for. Divine timing is at work. Yes, this connection is going to improve whether you want it or not, Aries or Leo, Sag. They are going to come back. You both are under divine timing. Things are happening. Something is shifting in this connection. I can feel it. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share Magic Wednesday. Join us on Instagram. And this is Mystic C saying bye.